Hello there, everyone. It's nice to be back after the summer holiday and the summer break. During these past couple of months, we have had a lot of different new additions to the shop and some really cool new additions. Today, I'm going to show you 3 different new things. The first thing I want to show you is these. These are the Flytying Blacklist. The first whiting order we got from these were, sold out really quickly. So we just got a new order on these, and they're back in stock. And also, we've added another color. So basically, that's the news. The news is not these because I've had them in the shop for some time. But the new color here is fluorescent yellow chartreuse. A really nice addition to the color range, and these saddles simply just look absolutely amazing on the fly. So if you haven't checked these out, then go to NordicAnglers.com and check these out. The other thing that is a cool thing I've been looking forward to showing you for quite some time is this. This is the new black edition Renault Mill scissor. Really nice all-purpose fly-tying scissors. But this is a limited edition in black. So really a cool scissors, and the quality of Renault Mill is just great as always. And these really feel nice. And the point here is absolutely amazing. So check out these new scissors, the Renault Mill in the black edition. There are 2 different models. One is the standard size. This is a bit shorter and has a slightly curved edge. So really cool stuff. So if you're looking for a new fly tying scissors, then definitely this is the Renault Mill ones is a good way to go for sure. The last thing is for a long time I have been looking for some good quality Guineafowl. And the problem with the Guineafowl is the only way I've been able to get them is either the really big ones from Flytying, which is fairly expensive, but also very big, or just bags of loose feathers. And as always, if you buy a bag of loose feathers, you can't decide what size of feathers you get for your size of flies. So finally we have managed to find some complete birds of Guineafowl. And we have them in, I think it's 6 different colors. The blue one, obviously, for thunder and lightning and horse-socken. A green chartreuse, a yellow, really nice, an orange, a red one, and also, of course, in the white color, the natural color. But the thing about these is, as I said, it's the same as with rooster capes and hen capes, compared to when you buy a cheap bag of just loose feathers. With a full complete bird, you get all the different size of feathers, so it's very easy for you to decide exactly how what type of feather and exactly what size you want, instead of having to buy 3 or 4 different bags and then not getting exactly what you need. Then this is the way to go. They are, of course, a bit more expensive than the bags of loose feathers, but in my opinion, these are definitely worth every single. I don't know if you should say penny or cent, or they're really worth the money, and the quality of the individual feathers here are really high and really good. So I of course have bought me one of each. Because I just gotta have them. I really like these Guineafowl for all types of flies, but really for salmon flies, these are give the flies a unique look. So basically, it's nice to be back. A lot of things are going on in Denmark. A lot of very nice fishing. It's a bit hot out there, but the sea trout browns have started to run, and the foam beetle action has just been awesome the past couple of weeks. Also the coastal fishing. So I hope wherever you are when you watch this, that the fishing where you is good, and of course that you're well and safe in these pretty strange times. Things are a bit strange. But enough said about that. swing by Nordic Anglers, and if you haven't done so already, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to the channel. Nordic Anglers is of course our big online web store that has more than 14,000 different items, fly tying, waders, fly rods, lines. We have a really big selection of the best brands available. So thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to making a ton of new videos, a ton of new fly tying videos this upcoming season, and well, stay tuned. Take care out there.